So I'm here in Manchester in a newly renovated office building. Now this is a really cool project that we've done here, as these carpet tiles we fitted today aren't actually on the dctuk.com website. They're actually imported all the way from the US. So it just shows that whatever carpet tile you're wanting, we can source it. It doesn't have to be on our website. And what an amazing carpet tiles these are. These look amazing. So I'm going to stop talking and show you around this amazing project. These carpet tiles are the Shaw carpet tile collection, and they are the Dye Lab collection in colour Saxon. Now if you want a project just like this, then contact us today on dctuk.com.
Thank you so much to DCT UK for the most amazing carpet tiles, all the way from the US. They've completely changed the space and we love it so much.